Flooding in southern Iran has killed at least 21 people and left 2 missing following heavy rainfall in the largely arid country, state media reported on Saturday. The tragedy happened on a summer weekend in Iran, when families tend to head to cooler areas such as riversides, lakesides and valleys. A number of local people and sightseers who had gone to the riverside and were present in the riverbed were caught in the flood due to the rise in the water level, the governor of Estaban added. Iran has endured repeated droughts over the past decade, but also regular floods, a phenomenon made worse when torrential rain falls on sun-baked earth. In 2019, heavy inundations in the country's south left at least 76 people dead and caused damage estimated at more than $2 billion.